All right, we are live now. So Mas Dzuizz have started school already and almost forgot to continue doing IOI, yeah, busy with school for 1 week already at school. So we want to make sure we don't lose the momentum. We continue again working on the IOI problem, yeah. So here it is, IOI. So last time Mas Dzuizz already did IOI 2021, the latest IOI last week, 2 weeks ago. Mas Dzuizz already solved this. Yeah. So you are okay. I'm still top. Still top by time. You are number 3 by time, yeah. But you are number 1 by memory. So we have solved it. Now we want to solve IOI 2018. 2018 problem, yeah, combo. This is one of the easiest IOI problems in history. I myself already solved it, yeah, and now Mas Dzuizz, you're trying to solve it. So basically, the problem is about game combo, right? There are 4 buttons, A, B, X, Y, and the combo, we don't know what is the combo. It's a secret combo. But if you press the button, whatever pattern, right? If it matches, then you will get coin as much as how many letters matches with the combo. Yeah. So the good thing about the problem is the combo itself, the first letter of the combo does not show up again. So the first letter, the first character never reappears anymore. So this is useful because that means you can try multiple possible combos in one shot, ya kan? As long as you start with the same starting letter, start with the same first character. Right now, the problem is, can we guess the sequence by doing a number of press, like how many press, how many sequence button, right? We press, we send, what kind of press do we want to do? So let's say if we do, in this example, if the secret combo is ABXYY, and we send like this, it will return 3. Why? Because there is ABX here, see? In somewhere in your string, there is ABX, which matches with the secret combo ABX, matches 3 characters. That means you will get 3. If you do ABXYY, you get 5. If you do ABXYY, ABXYY, you get 5 also, because it's just repeated. So still the longest matching character is 5. Yeah. So if you do BXYY, then you get 0 because you don't have A. You didn't start with A. Yeah. And if you do AY, it's only 1 because it's only A that matches. Now the question is, how do we know the secret combo if we can call press as many times as we like, but if we call press too many times, we will get to very low score. So if you want to get a perfect score, you need to call less than n plus 2 times. N is the length of the secret combo. Yep. All right. So let's that's the problem. Okay, Mas Dzuizz, how are you doing? What is your status currently?
Wrong answer.
Okay, so what is your logic now? Explain.
I get the first character, and then for how long n is -1, I check the first character. If the first character is A, and then let's say the first character is A, I check, I press the current string, which is still just the character, the first character, and then I add with BB, and then the current string, and then BX, and then the current string, and then BY, and then the current string, and then X. And then if it's 3, then
I see. Okay.
BX, Y, X. Yeah. Now I continue that if C is the same, the others A, B, X, and Y.
Hold on, slowly. So you S is actually your answer so far, yeah?
Yes.
Where is S? Do you update S? Oh, you put in plus equal, yeah? Okay. So if you get 2 more points, okay, where do you update point? Do you update point?
Yeah, I have the point there.
Okay. Do you know where your logic is wrong?
No.
You test. Can you test with just one simple one, like test using the ABXYY? Dan coba.
Okay. What are documents or downloads?
LX. LS dulu aja LS.
CD documents. Yes. Is that combo?
TLX tuh ada TLX.
Then CD. Yes. Combo.
You can type LS C star gitu mas. LS C star.
No, don't have.
Nah, yes. Where did you put it? Is it in download?
Maybe.
Because you download the.
Yep, it is. And then what do I do again? G plus plus. No.
Compiler. Compile. Yeah, but remove the static.
Not the static.
You need to
Yeah.
edit. Yeah,
What
combo. Right?
.cpp? Combo.cpp. Task
Yeah,
is
you can just call it combo. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, then
how
you
do
call combo like /combo. Then you copy paste the. I think you need to
still
put in the length of the string first.
still doing? Oh yeah. The length of the string.
Coba cek the input file ya, input sample.
Where is
Itu
that?
input ya itu sample in. Oh, okay, you don't need. Okay. So where is it then? Ya kan? It's wrong.
Then what is
So
wrong?
if you want to debug, you can go to grader.cpp itu. Open grader.cpp. Yep. See there, print wrong answer, right? So what wrong answer did you get? Wrong answer what?
Wrong guess.
Wrong guess. So which one? You can debug here lah. What do you want to print? You can print. You can see out.
Okay.
Yeah.
See out. Yes. No, what language is? Yeah, correct.
You need to std.
And then it's a capital S.
Yeah.
And
You need to include IO stream.
okay. I can just do print F. Yeah.
You can, to you, whichever is easier.
Print
Include
F
no,
string. How do you
percentage S, I think.
S string of character?
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
Print F percentage S. Okay.
Compile again. You need to compile first and then run.
No, it's just warning. Or is it a warning or an error?
You need to put in. Do you need to? What is S? Oh, it's a warning, yeah.
No, it's an error.
It's an error. Do you need to put the? What is S? Where is S? S is what?
It's a buffer. It's the true or false. Where is
S the answer or the key?
the true of? Oh no, it's the answer. Eh, is it S or buffer?
I
The
think you
same.
need to print the answer, right? See, answer equal to guess sequence. So answer is your answer. So what you need to print is not S but answer.
Oh,
Okay. Try. Can you compile?
one error.
Okay. Can we see why is it an error?
Oh,
Print F.
it's a character. It's a character.
Yeah lah.
Mm,
String is an array of character.
then what do we do to print it?
Can you check in your reference study? In the reference, yeah. How do you print string?
String is S.
Yeah. Can you find an example of how to print string? Do you need to put in star or maybe star? Yeah. Can you try star? Put star before answer because it's a pointer, right? Yeah. Coba. No. How about ampersand?
What's ampersand? This?
No. Ampersand is the and signal.
Oh, oh,
It's
oh.
and symbol.
Oh, is it? That's ampersand.
Okay. So then maybe it's not percentage S, yeah. Can you check because it's not a string, yeah. It's just array of character, right? How do you print array of character? You know what? Just because you don't want to use IO stream, why don't you just put IO stream and then just see out? Like
Okay.
why bother? Why waste time? It's just a line.
std out answer. Oh. Why? It's always why.
Why did you answer why? And you check your code. Why is your answer why?
That means the first
Okay.
character is always Y
Why
also.
why isn't your first character A?
A.
Maybe that's the first thing you need to check. Why isn't your first character A?
Is it this? Is something wrong with this?
No. So what did you pass to answer? What did you return as answer? What is your answer? What variable is your answer?
Oh, okay. S equals C.
Yeah. No. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Invalid press.
Invalid press. So now you get the different error, right? Check the code. You debug lah. Why are you getting that error? What is invalid press error?
If len greater than 4 times n.
But that's not the only one with invalid press, yeah?
Oh yeah. If pi not equals to a
So
and pi.
yeah, firstly, you need to know which one, right? You need to know which one is correct. Maybe just edit the message quickly, right? Invalid press apa?
It's not this one. So it's this
Okay.
one. Len is greater than 4 times 10.
Yeah. So what do you need to check? Print out your answer lah over there. Print out your answer. Yeah, print out your answer dulu, so that you know. Ya kan?
See out answer. Oh, it isn't defined yet. Yes.
So print out
Next.
yang itulah, yang length bukan yang di press apa itu? Len itu apa? P kan?
P.
So yeah, P is what is being pressed.
See
It's
out.
not your answer yet kan? It's what is being pressed.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then
Error. ENDL. You need STD for ENDL.
oh, very know that. A B X Y B B A B X Y B X A B X Y B Y A B X Y.
It's too long, right? It's too long. You
Oh,
can only have 4 times, right? How many times did you have over there? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, itu
oh,
4. Mm-hmm. You know why this? Do you know why it is too long?
4 plus some extra.
Look at your first part of your answer. First part of your press. What is the first part of your press? A B.
A B X Y B B.
Why did
There's
you
more
need to put it B? Why is it longer than N?
because
Why
it
did you?
repeats 4 times.
No, even if it doesn't repeat 4 times, right? Your first part itu longer than N. Look at your first part. A B.
A B X Y B B.
That's longer than N. N is only 5, right?
Oh, but this
The
one
length.
4. Oh, yeah, it is longer than N. So, okay. So, what I do is I get the last character only. Wrong one. I get the last character. And the last,
Last char.
yeah, and then
Last char cinta.
see, okay, last character. Last character is the first character. I get last C.
Huh?
Yes.
I don't understand. What are you doing here?
Huh? Okay.
What are you doing here?
I'm
You are
only
changing
using.
logic. That's already correct. Gimana? What do you want?
I'm using the last character only.
Why are you changing it? I don't get it. Do you actually know what's wrong with your logic? This is correct. This is correct already. You don't mess up with this. This is correct already. What do you want to fix? What is wrong and what do you want to fix?
I want to make the press shorter.
When? Shorter when? All the time?
No, only when the length of S plus 2 is greater than N.
Correct. So when it is the last one, right? It only happens in the last one.
Oh.
And you know why? Because you append 2 characters, right? So when you only need one last character, you don't need to append 2 characters.
You only need to append.
Yeah, but only for the last one. You don't change what is correct already. You are correct for how many times? You are correct for everything except the last one, right?
Last one, yeah.
Yeah. So how do you do that? How do you change? What do you need to change here? The first thing that you need to change.
Until N minus.
Yeah. Correct. Then you have to handle the last character separately. Itu outside of the loop. Yes, correct.
We press last.
Indentation is wrong actually, yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah,
What?
it's okay, never mind. Indentationnya kan. Yeah, it's okay lah, never mind. Okay, wait. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What is last C?
Oh my god, what's wrong with me? Okay. Last C should be the last character. How do we get last character? The last character.
I don't get it. Why? What are you doing? Why do you get the last? What's the point of getting the last character? What's the logic?
So
Explain the
I can
logic first.
I make the press shorter.
What do you mean press shorter? If your press shorter, then it's incorrect. What becomes incorrect, right? You cannot make it shorter if it's already correct, right?
Oh yeah, because you still need the first one.
What are you doing?
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
why the problem is in adding adding BX, BY. That is where the problem is. You cannot do it in the last character. So what do you do for the last character?
Um, hmm, hmm, hmm.
So that means, right, so far you got the whole combo correct, and you're only left with, okay, what should I guess for the last character, right? That's it, right? But you
Yeah.
got the combo correct so far. So what do you do?
I press S plus B D,
Uh-huh.
and then if it's greater than point plus, if it's greater than point, right? If it's
Yeah.
greater than point, then that means the next one is B. So I add B.
Yeah.
But if it's not, then it's not B. Then I try X.
Yeah. Or you can use your clever way on the top also, right? Because if you do one by one like that, then you need 4 times. You need, or 3 times, right? You need 3 times of press, right?
Hmm.
You try B. If it is not correct, you try A. If it is not correct, you try X. If it is not correct, then you answer Y, right? So it's like you need to do it 3 times. Yeah, but you could be doing like what you did on the top, right?
So I press P is the press of S plus BB plus S plus
Why, why are you putting BB, mas? You keep on repeating the same mistake. You are at the last character. What are you doing? You are at the last character. You only need one character. Last one character only.
oh. Mhm.
You don't need BB. Why do you put BB? There's only one character left.
B. X. Then if it's B and then if the press of S plus B is greater than point, if the press of S plus B is greater than point, then we go B. Else if press of s plus x greater than point s plus equal else if s of s plus 1 greater than point plus equal 1. Okay.
How about A?
The first character is A.
Oh, it will never show up, yeah? In that case, you only need to do it twice, right? You don't need the last one. The last one is definitely Y, right?
Yeah, correct. Okay. Press plus A. E plus A. A.
Good.
A B X Y Y. Accepted. 7. I don't know what it is.
7 means you got 7 point.
Huh?
You submit first. 7 point for that problem, and there are many problems.
I'm confused now.
Okay, let's see. How many points do you get? Are you going to get immediately accepted? Yeah, possible, I think.
Nah, but I don't think so.
Don't think you have. I don't think you have a wrong logic. I think you got all the correct actually.
Why is it taking so long?
Yeah, that means it's processing all the answers.
I have
Oh,
5. 5.
can you scroll down? Where do you get wrong? Oh, I think I know. I think I know.
I think
Oke
I know.
Mas, sekarang tes your program in terminal
Yeah.
E.
AY. AY. Oh, smaller than 0.
Hmm.
That if if n
Apa? N. Hmm.
greater
Greater.
than 0.
Huh? What do you mean n greater? N will always be greater than 0. What?
No, for this. If n is greater than 0, then oh wait, yeah, was not me.
It's
If
always greater
n
than 0.
minus 1 small greater than 0, then I do this.
Okay.
But if it's not, then what do I do?
If it is not, that means how long is n?
If it's not, then n is 1.
Oke, coba kalian tes. That means n is greater than 1, so n is 2 and above. Okay, now try B, try X, try Y, try all lah, basically one by one. Try A cannot ya. A B only. Okay, looks okay then. Coba submit. Yeah, I know because I hit the same problem. When I did this, I also hit the same error. And I realized, oh yeah, it doesn't work when the string is only 2 characters.
I'm holding down the command R. That's why it's frozen. No, I'm not holding. No, not pressing.
It's probably correct now.
It's a good sign that it's not finishing.
Yeah, because he's still testing all the test case and not skipping it, right? Yeah.
100 plus. It's okay.
Oh yeah, you got 100. Good.
Yeah, I'm fastest in time.
Oh wow. Oh really? Wow. I think I know why. Because you put in your if statement one by one. Check my code. You know, you are doing if statement one by one like that. Right? If it is equal to C, if C is equal
Yeah.
to A.
No, but yeah.
Now look at my code.
I don't understand. Why is there coins? What is coin?
It's the same lah. My temp and coins is your P and PT. It's the same.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, but
Correct.
I don't do your massive if statement itu. I just do ABC as a variable ABC, right? But if C is A, then ABC is BXY. If C is B, then ABC is AXY. You see?
Oh,
Get that?
I get. I don't get.
Yeah, so I don't need to repeat the code one by one, right?
Then how is mine slower? I mean, how is mine faster?
Because if for you your if statement apa namanya? Yeah, actually, yeah. Why is it faster? Yeah, because I'm using variable, but for you, you are immediately using constant, right? In the code itself, like A, B, X, Y. Ya kan? For me, I keep it as a variable. So it's a variable processing. I think that's why
What?
it's slower.
3 milliseconds. What? How come can take 47 milliseconds? That's a lot.
Can we see other people's answer?
This one. No, I can't. Oh, submissions here.
See anyone that got also 100 recently?
100 deh. Kurti pai.
Yeah.
7 June.
This is a bit complicated. But I think it's a similar idea lah. I think it's the same idea.
100.
Actually, I shouldn't have told you the bug, yeah. I shouldn't have told you the last bug just now. You should have figured it out yourself. Now I regret telling you,
Why?
to see whether you can find it yourself, lah.
So difficult. Why are there so many sliders in TLX suddenly? There is the dark mode, there is the spoilers.
Yeah, there's an update. Om Asar yang bikin. All right, very good. So you have now solved how many IOI problems?
2.
I was helping, yeah.
Eh? Yeah.
I was helping you, yeah.
Papita.
I was helping you. Okay, now let's look at my screen. Let's find the IOI to do next time, yeah.
I'm top in memory. Yeah, look, in DNA, I'm top in memory. But then in I'm top in time.
Oh, okay, yeah. Just yes. It's good that your name is showing up there. Okay, now let's see, yeah. So you have solved DNA, right? Mutating DNA. This is probably one of the easiest problems in IOI because you
Super.
see 85% of the contestants, 85% of the contestants was actually able to get a full score, full mark, right? So that means it's quite easy. Yeah. And average score is actually 93. 93 out of 100. So yeah, again, this means it's quite easy. Even those who didn't get 100%, also they get quite a good task. So let's see other IOI. Yeah. Okay, connecting superstars.
Zero
Okay,
point
not so.
29%.
Yeah, this is only 1% get it correct. Counting mushrooms. Let's just see results. Yeah. Oh, William Lin. Only William Lin got it correct. And he got a perfect score. Oh, yeah, he got a perfect score. Remember William Lin, right?
Yeah, I remember. The one
Inspiration that the inspiration that got us looking into this and also making you loving C++. Yeah, I was actually surprised. Huh? I thought you would love Python more than C++. But that's good then because C++ is still the best programming language for this. Okay, let's look again. Let's
0.00.
this one nobody got it perfect.
Nobody.
It must be super hard also.
Can the creators make solve it? Did
Of
the
course, of course. How can you put it judge answer if you don't know how to solve it correctly?
I don't know.
Okay, let's
Wait,
okay,
what is
combo that you have just did. Oh, interesting. Actually, combo is not that many. Yeah, it's actually half. Only half of the contestants were able to solve it. So this is interesting. So we can actually try those that are half also, like arranging shoes. This one I actually tried. I have not solved it, but I tried this arranging shoes.
IOI 29? Another 0.00.
Detecting molecules.
Detecting molecules. Why is there so many related to science?
Just name lah. Okay, let's see. What is this? 2016. Yeah. Arranging shoes is also interesting, Mas. If maybe you can solve it, but I have not solved it. Arranging shoes. Let's just see this one first. Yeah, detecting molecules.
Solved by Hershey out of 13. Adnan owns the biggest shoe store in Baku. A box containing n pairs of
Oh,
shoes.
you're looking at the shoe. Okay.
Each pair consists of two shoes of the same size, a left and a right one. Adnan has put all of the n two n positions number 0 through to n minus from left to right. For every I, the following positions, the shoes at positions 2i and 2i plus 1 are of the same size. Shoe at position 2i is a left shoe. Shoe at position 2i plus 1 is a right shoe. Series of swaps. Two shoes are the one that we need to know. Huh? How do you do that? Count swaps 2, 1 minus 1 minus 2.
You are given an array of shoes with number, right? Number means the size.
And
But if it
negative
is minus, that means it's the left one.
Ah,
Now
got
you
it.
need to swap, right? How many swap do you need? You need to swap the shoes, shoes that are next to each other, right? Swap, 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 swap. How many swap do you need until you can arrange them left and right? I mean, arrange them in a proper pairs lah, basically. So in that example, in the if you scroll down a bit until the end, scroll down to the end of the picture. No, that's just the picture in the example, right? So the final result is -2, 2, -1, 1. And it started from, in the beginning, started from apa? What is the input? Scroll up.
From 1 minus 1 minus 2.
2, 1, -2. So how many swap is required? 4 swaps, right? Swap the one in the middle and then the one, yeah, and so on. So I already attempted this, but I still get wrong answer. My logic was wrong. I know where my logic was wrong at, but I have not fixed it. Yeah. So if you want to try this one, it's interesting also. You think about the problem first. You find the idea first. Then when you already got the idea, Once you got the idea, then we can attempt this problem in the next session. Yeah.
What is
And
Go?
Go is a programming language. It's for parallel processing. It's much fast. Okay, it's not much faster than C, but it's one of the fastest now because it can do multi-threader, parallel processing basically, and it can do asynchronous processing as well. So it's very suitable for internet application. Very suitable for internet application. Yeah.
Can do Python.
Yeah, of course, can do Python also, but
Yeah,
it's kind of slow, right?
no. Only some problems you can use Python. So maybe
Okay.
maybe I
You
maybe I
wanna
think
try Python first?
no. Maybe
Uh,
I think they test, like they try using Python, and then if it's impossible, they think it's impossible, then you cannot use.
no, not really. Not
Okay,
really. Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe.
Okay.
How can you?
Okay, find the idea first. Any question on the problem? Do you understand the problem clearly?
Yes.
You know the size can be the same, yeah? Do you know that?
Yeah, I know.
The size can be the same. So you can have more than one pair of the same size. Which means, imagine if everything is on the same size, like example 2, right? In example 2, everything is the same size. Scroll down. See example 2.
Example two. Minus
Everything
two.
is size 2, right?
Minus two.
That means, the swap will be easier. There's only one swap required, yeah? Yet one swap required only? Hold on.
What? I don't understand. How come? How come the ending is like always left, right, and then left, right, and then left, right? It's not.
Yeah,
The
that's the
other way.
requirement. That's the requirement.
Two I plus one. Two I and
So
two I
shoes
plus
at the
one.
same size. Shoes of the same size is next to each other, and the left shoe is on the left, and the right shoe is on the right. That's the requirement. See, position as 2i and 2i plus 1. Same size, and 2i is the left one, 2i plus 1 is the right one.
Then there should be an even frequency of.
Yeah, for sure. Otherwise, it's invalid. But I think it's not part of the test case. I mean, the test case is guaranteed to be valid.
Really?
You don't need to check.
Oh. Okay.
Ya
N
kan itu
is what?
constraint. Look at the
One.
constraint, the last constraints. Yeah.
Constraints. Yeah.
So arrangement can be obtained. That means it is valid. You don't need to. Yeah. The only thing you need to tell or calculate is how many swaps do you need to reach the valid arrangement. The minimum number of swaps. Okay. So you think of the problem first. Sleep on it. We try again next time. Yeah.
Maybe you just.
What is your initial idea? Now that you are already thinking of the problem, maybe just tell me your initial idea first.
Because the result should be 1 times 2, 0, 1, 2. It starts as 0. Oh, yeah. It starts as 0. 0, 1, 2. Then it should be. Then you can just loop. We can loop through the shoes. And then first we have left, right? And then if the next one is a right, we check if the number is the same as the one before. If not, all the shoes are of the same size.
Okay, you think about it first. You coret-coret dulu on your whiteboard. Different, different scenarios. You test out dulu. Yeah, like let's say
1 minus 1.
okay, let's just try.
There are two ways that
Okay, so let's say if it is apa tadi?
2
Let's
2
just 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2. Let's say how many times you need?
2.
Swaps? What are the
2.
swaps?
Yeah.
So one is what?
1 is 1 6 is minus 1 and 0 and 1. 1 is 0 and 1. And the other is 2 and 3.
Like this. This is the first swap, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, kan?
Hmm.
Then the second swap, then you swap this one, right? So two swaps. Okay, let's try again. What if it is 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2?
You need
What
3
is your
swap.
first? Huh?
You swap 1 and 2. Swap 1 and 2. Oh no, index number 1 and index number 2. Not 1 and
This
2.
one, right?
Index-
Right.
Yeah.
I swap. Okay. Then
And then we swap like just now. 2 more swaps. Then we swap 1 and minus 1 and 2 and minus 2.
okay.
0 and 1, 2 and 3.
So three swaps, yeah. Three swaps. Okay, now what if it's 1?
Maybe you just swap until no.
What if it's 1, 2, 3, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1?
Ah. Okay.
What do you do?
Okay. Let's see. How do we? 1, 2, minus 2, 3.
What is the first thing you swap?
3 and minus
Or
3.
how many? Okay.
Maybe. I don't
How
know.
many?
I'm just. Okay.
Yeah, but
Oh wait, this doesn't help. Oh no. And then you swap 3 and minus 2.
okay.
Then swap 3 and minus 1. Swap 3 and minus 1.
3 and minus 1.
Then you swap minus 3 and minus 2. And you swap minus 3 and minus 1.
Minus 3 and minus 1. And
then you swap minus 1 and minus 2.
minus 1 and minus 2.
Yes.
Okay. Why do I feel this is inefficient? Yeah, but let's see. Okay, then.
And then you swap minus 1 and 2. I don't know. This
Okay.
is it's not the fastest way, but and then you swap 1 and -1 and 2 and -2. 1 and -1 and 2 and -2. So you need 9 swaps for me.
Yeah, let me see if I can do better. Let's see. Can I do better? Is it the
9,
best?
9. Ah, yeah, you make it 8. Okay.
9 swaps the minimum. Right? Okay, let me try. Yeah. How would I do it?
Maybe you
So let's say I want to fix one first. I want to fix this one first. That means I need to bring this -1 all the way there. Is this a good idea or not? Is this a good idea or not? Maybe. I don't know. Let me try. So my algorithm, let's say my algorithm is I start from the left.
well, yeah,
I'll,
it's the same.
huh?
Yeah. Just continue.
Yeah, so whichever is the first right shoe I found, I'll find the left shoe and I just swap it all the way down. Yeah. Let's say I'm using that algorithm. Yeah.
But that will be 9 swaps.
Is it 9 swap also?
Yeah, I've calculated.
That means
But
first one, okay, that's pretty fast.
the
First,
-1 has to move 5 times, the -2 has to move 3 times.
okay.
Yeah. Wait. No. Wait. The -1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5
And
times, and
swap this two.
1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Then apa?
-1.
Finally I swap this one, right?
Yep.
Okay. Then now my algorithm will go to the next right shoe, which is 2. I need to bring -2 all the way down. So
So
I need to swap this -2 and -3. And then I need to swap -2 and 3. Then I need to swap -2 and 2.
it's 9.
Then I need to swap -3 and 3. Okay, so we go different way, but we are both reaching 9 swap also. So is there a fastest way? Is there a faster way, or can we prove that it is impossible to have a fastest way? Can we prove that it is impossible to have a faster way?
1, 2, 3, -2, -3, -1. How? Maybe you wait. 1, the distance is 1. 2, 2. 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 5. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 5. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So it's 15. How do you get? Uh,
Okay, so what is 9 then? If let's say 9 is the answer, what is 9? How do we
9.
get 9?
1. 1 plus 3 plus 0 plus 3 plus 0 plus 3, which is 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. Why do I always get 15? That if it's 1, 2, 3 and 2, 1, 3. What is 3, 1, 2. 3, 1, 2. Then it's 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus I don't know.
So if let's say we use my algorithm, yeah, I actually don't know if my algorithm is the most efficient one, but let's say if I use my algorithm, that means from left to right, I scan the right shoes, right? Right shoes. Or should I do that there? Should I do right shoes or left shoes? Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we should try using wait. 2, 1, minus 1 and minus 2. Scan for the right shoes is 2 and 1. So you swap 2, 1, 2, 3 times. And then you swap one more. Your algorithm.
Yeah. So if my algorithm, right, process shoe by shoe basically, right? Algorithm. Let's say my algorithm is process shoe by shoe from first one. Meaning apa? Get first shoe unpaired, first unpaired shoe, ya kan? It's not unpaired yet, right? Shoe is unpaired yet. Find the pair and shift it
And
and
find
shift it.
distance.
Okay. Huh? So right, and repeat, right? Repeat until no more unpaired shoe. Yeah. So this
Oh,
is like, let's say the
when
algorithm, right? So first shoe, right? First shoe is 1, ya kan? This one, right? This is the first shoe. Pair is, ya kan? Pair is -1 at index, index 5. 1 at index 0, right? Ya kan?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus
Yeah. So
1,
this
2,
is
3.
0,
Oh,
one is.
yeah. 9 is
So
equal to
how
the
many? 9 is equal to.
what I
So
realized
how many times
was
do I need to shift?
yeah.
How many times do I need to shift -1? It is at index 5.
5 times.
Yeah, 5 times, right? So I need to
So
shift, yeah,
5 plus 1
5
plus 1.
swaps, right? I need to do 5 swaps. And then that means
1,
5. The result is like this, right? -1, 1, yeah, kan?
2,
And we have 2, 3, -3, -2.
I've got an
Second
idea.
shoe. You
I've
want an
got
idea?
an idea. Yes.
You want to try?
It's opening
Or
shoes
you want to
exit.
try next time? It's already 1 hour. Okay, let's complete this first, yeah? So second shoe is pseudocode IOI combo, yeah? Not combo. What was this? Arranging shoe. Put it in document. Okay, so second shoe. What is the second shoe now? Second shoe is number 2, right? Shoe number 2 at which position? 1, 2, 3. At A2, 0, 1, 2 here, right? Ya kan? Pair is -2 at 5. So how many swaps do you need from 5 to go
Three.
to 3 swaps? Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, correct. So 3 swaps. And yeah. So at 8, what we get is ini shifted kan? This is shifted all the way here. Oh, yeah. And now, what is our third shoe now? Third unpaired shoe is third unpaired shoe is 3, right? At A4, pair is -3 at A5. Yeah. That means how many swap do I need?
1.
1 only, right? So at 9, I swap this 3 and -3, and I'm done. This looks like a acceptable algorithm. Yeah, this could be the answer.
Is the sum of the differences of the indexes.
Is it that simple? Okay, you only look this, yeah? Look at this only. Without looking at this. Without looking at this, yeah? Just look at this only. How do you get 9?
5 minus 0 plus 4 minus 1 plus 3 minus 2.
4 minus 1.
5 minus 0 plus 3.
Oh, because the the gap will still be the same, yeah?
Yeah, no matter where you put it, it's always the same because both have to travel that long. Like speed.
What if, okay,
To
okay, so what if the array is like this? I change a bit, yeah? So that means when I shift this all the way here, I did not change the distance between -2 and 2, right? But what if I change the distance between -2 and 2? What if, let's say, this becomes 1 instead and this becomes 2? So in this situation, right, -2 and 2. Oh, wait. But this is the leftmost shoe to be processed, yeah? Okay, okay. Okay, yeah, so it still works. Because in this situation, I would have shifted -2 first, not -1 first, right? If I shifted -1 first, then -1 will be here, right? -1 will be here, and it will change the gap or the distance between -2 and 2. But then I wouldn't process -1 first, right? I would have processed -2 first, because 2 is the first unpaired shoe. Okay, so yeah, ignore. So the algorithm looks correct. So I cannot disprove the algorithm yet. Yeah, looks like the algorithm is correct. Maybe you can go ahead and implement it.
which is
Yeah, maybe the algorithm is correct.
how you do it? Map in gquiz.
Do you do that efficiently? Yeah. You want to do it now, or you want to do it later next time?
Number.
Okay, you're doing it now.
So I want to go through tomorrow. I just want to
Maybe I
see.
should. Maybe I should also do it.
For wins are equal 0 other than s, size s plus if si. How do I check it? Check if element in map C++. Function to check if the key is present. If m dot find key equals m dot n if m dot find si if m dot n that means it's not inside. Why is size wrong? Find size of vector plus low size. Yeah, I got or dot size. If m dot find as I, so that means if fi the number is not in n, then m as I equal I, right? But if it is in I, and plus if m dot find if if si greater than 0 and if si is greater than 0 and m dot find equals m dot n or can the size be 0? Can the size be 0?
Can the size be 0? You check the problem statement.
I can't find.
I don't think. Oh, I can be 0, yeah.
It's a non-zero, it's a non-zero. I can be
Non-zero.
0. Yeah, it's a non-zero there.
Oh,
Okay.
I is the index. Yeah, I is the index.
Si is a non-zero value equal to the size of the shoe initially placed at position I. If si greater than 0 and m dot find si or si smaller than 0, find 0 minus si equal to m dot n. That means if it's inside ans plus equal I minus M S I. Okay. What does M dot find? What does M dot find key output? One is for check 1, check 2. M dot find key get element by key. M dot find C out equal to 1 point. So then also greater point 2. Let's see. First and second. Or 2. It. So it's equal M dot find. It equals M dot find. If Si is equals to 0 and then is 1 greater than how do you get the element using a key in map?
Can you repeat again?
How do you get the element using the key?
Just use the bracket. Just use the right bracket. Yeah, element of map, right? If it is already there, yeah. If it is just like dictionary in Python, you can just use the bracket. If it is already there, the right bracket. If it is already there, but if it is not there, what will happen? You see, you search for C++ map, C++ map.
I already made sure it's there.
Okay, if you're very sure it's there, then yeah, then just call it
I think so.
just like that. Yeah.
Maybe.
Because what happens if it is not there, the C++ map will behave that it will create a new one. So there is not error. But then you ruined it. You ruined your map because now suddenly your map has an element that the value is meaningless. It's just some random value. Just a pointer. And your map becomes increased by size, increased by 1. Your map size increased by 1.
Ans plus equal I minus ms
1 minus I unpaired.
ans I minus 0
I minus unpaired. I minus
I minus 0 minus I plus but Si is smaller than 0. Minus ns I 0 minus. How do I remove? How do I remove a key, an element from a map?
remove it, erase. I think you can search lah. Map, std map. Is it vector or map? Yeah. map erase tuh. C++ itu first result tuh. Sudah first result tuh.
MyMap.it equals MyMap.find.
You can erase by the iterator or you can erase by the key.
Key. How do I erase C?
Erase by the key lah. Yeah, just like that.
Oh. Then I erase.
I'm actually
And
doing that also now.
Why is it error? Is that? Oh, it's not error.
Hoi.
Examples, which is what is the problem? Yes, that's the problem. Let's take out the static. /. And I test using examples. For dot out. Correct. 02.in. Get 1. Correct. Maybe. But maybe random accident. I don't know, there's always something that will happen. Why I submit combo? Alamak. I submitted combo. The wrong file.
You need to then fix again. You need to fix your submission.
Yeah. Choose.gdb. See?
Oh, your name is gone from the list, yeah.
Huh? What? Yeah. No, this one not combo. This one is choose, but then I submit the profile.
Yeah.
I got accepted for the first test group, which is the sample test. Which of course I got accepted. Well, at least I got score 10.
Okay, let me try to submit mine. Yeah. Oh, I need to test first mine. You wanna see?
I can't see. Okay.
How do you test again?
Terminal. You go to the grade.
Oh yeah, terminal, yeah. Then I need to stop. Open terminal. Share the terminal, yeah. Hey, that's nice. Okay, so what do I need to do? Where am I?
Look at my face. Mini conductory. CD GitHub/TLX.
What is this problem again? Okay. So how do I compile again?
Go to the grader and then G++ dot
Okay,
how come you grader.cd
remove the static, right? Static doesn't work here, right? Yeah. How do I compile? Compile the message.
What? Could have done that the whole time.
Yeah, done. Okay, now I can call the problem, right? Shoes. Shoes, and the input is what? Where is the input? Input is above. Is it?
Done that. Examples
01 dot in, yeah.
in.
Oh,
Correct.
is
Correct.
it
Yeah, it's correct. I don't know.
1 dot out? Okay, so let's now try 02 dot in.
Wrong.
What? I got wrong. Why?
Not. Oh.
I got wrong for this. Really?
Huh?
How come?
What?
How come I got wrong for this? Oh my god, I forgot to erase lah. Okay, let's fix my code first, yeah. I'll show you my code. Yeah, I forgot to erase lah. I haven't added the erase. How do you erase again?
Dot erase and then the key.
We did this, then we unpair dot erase. Oh,
What?
yeah, okay.
Yeah,
Let's
why does unpaired look like a keyword inside your code? Looks like a keyword. That looks like a keyword.
Let's try compile again. Oh, 1. Okay, now it's correct. Let's try submitting, yeah. Oh, it's the wrong one. I shared the wrong screen. This one. Yeah. Which one again? 2000 berapa tadi?
16. No, 2019.
Okay.
19.
Ranging shoes, yeah.
What did you get last time?
Huh?
How much did you get on your previous submission?
Wrong answer lah.
But how many points?
I don't know. Does it matter? 10.
Oh, so are you gonna get 10 now again?
I don't know. We'll see.
Well, I got 10, and it's logic.
Wrong answer. 10 also.
Oh.
10 also. I got wrong at test group number 5.
For me, I got wrong at number 1.
Okay, let's try again, yeah. Let's move to your screen now. Okay. That was a good attempt. 10 points. Yeah, I probably know what is wrong, but I will let you figure out. This algorithm is not sufficient.
You have to
You need to consider some.
I know. When you move the number that is in between two numbers.
Like, yeah. If it is in between,
minus 1.
If it is in between. Actually, can we remove from factor? Yeah. Oh, we can remove from the factor itself, right?
Huh? What? Ooh.
Wait a minute.
Ooh.
Do, do, do,
What?
do.
What? What? I plus minus that makes. There's already been 1 hour and 30
How do you know
minutes.
it's in between? Yeah. How do you know it is in between?
You get the index. So
In what scenario is in between?
I know, I know. We make another list or vector array that
Mm-hmm.
takes note of the indexes that have already found a pair.
Mm-hmm.
And then when we find a pair, we check if the indexes between them, if there's any index that is between them. And for every index that's between them, we minus one.
Okay, go ahead, try that.
No, unless. Oh, yeah. But then that would be a problem. Because what if the right and left of the shoe is between the both of them? Then that one wouldn't work. Find it. Not sure. Yes.
Oh, I think I know. I think I know.
How?
I know. I know what to do.
I don't know. Woo, woo, woo.
Know what to do.
I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Don't know what to do. Stop screen. It's not shopping. Cannot press the buttons. If I were to screen mirror this on the TV, then you will not feel the black. And then it will be like drawing. Is this screen? I still don't know how.
Okay, let me try this. Compile. What's wrong?
What's Zoom audio device? Zoom.
Have you found the logic to do, Mas? You wanna see what I'm thinking? I cannot hear you lah. What are you doing?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah. So this one is, yeah, look at this line, Mas. Do you know what I'm trying to do? But it's still a bit wrong, just a bit. I need to figure out in what sense it was wrong.
What's distance?
That means how far is it from the end? Okay, let's see. Let's try to see out this. This
So how do you what? Where do you define distance?
area. So see out SI unpaired 1 times SI.
Is it not supposed to be return?
Wrong side. Forgetting that this is the wrong side.
Testing the audio by pressing this test button.
Okay, let's try now. So
Share screen.
let's try again. -1 minus 2 0 0. I return 3 minus 1. So distance is 1. Yeah. Shoe is minus. What is the input here? So -1 is what I'm processing. 1 is the ID of the pair. It is here, correct. And then 1 is the distance from the end.
Wait, yeah. The length.
I Huh?
Can the length be 0?
Wait, this is strange, huh? How come? Um, Wait a minute. Oh, I need to -2 lah. Okay.
2, 1, minus 1, and minus 2. Only
I need to -2. Not -1. I need to -2. Right. This one is actually -2. So we can remove this. Okay. File test 5. Is the first answer 5? Wrong, yeah? No, it's wrong.
Crocodile Underground City. Split the attraction.
Yeah, I thought it should be correct actually. Yeah, I don't get it why this is wrong. Okay. Okay, you wanna continue next time? You wanna try this? Keep on trying this.
Okay. Yeah. When I click this,
Mm-hmm, right?
because usually you're not supposed to be heard. Because then that means it can be echo. See? Yeah, am I echoing?
No,
No,
I
I
am.
am.
Okay. Hmm. What's stereo audio? Low definition. Eh? How come suddenly so close? So. Ooh. High definition, standard definition, low definition. It's just my head.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Vector, yeah. I should have used vector, yeah. Oh, yeah, I should have used vector. Okay, you wanna see what I'm trying to do?
No. Include map. Why you include map 2 times saya?
So,
You haven't include vector.
thank you. So push back an integer, so the vector of integer, push back what? Si, right? I'm gonna add si. Oh, this is not unpaired, this is unpaired. Back, unpaired, how do we find? No, we cannot. Yeah. How do I do this? I think I need a range sum lah, but I haven't learned about range sum. How do I get the how many numbers are there in between? Do, 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 do. Or maybe I should just count lah, yeah. What am I? No. Yeah.
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 Am I shouting?
No.
Am I loud?
Mm-hmm.
Am I loud?
Yes.
I'm not.
Okay, maybe we'll just end for now. And for now, I can't really think very well now. We try again next time, yeah. Do you know what is wrong, Miss? Oh, but actually, you know what is wrong, right? So when you actually do the shifting, and if it
Yeah.
is in between another pair, right? If it is in between another pair, then you should reduce it by
Yeah.
one. So that's what I'm
I'll
trying to do with this line actually, but I think I don't think it's correct. I don't think I can get the distance in a map. Looks like I can't really do that. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think I can do that in map. Map doesn't really have a index. Yeah. So this is wrong actually, wrong approach. I have no idea what this number give me. Yeah, what would, yeah, I don't think I can rely on this. Anyway, let's end for now. We try again next time. Yeah.